Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. This hiking trail offers a stunning hike through the rocky peak landscape located near Simi Valley and leads you to a peak with a swing and hammock hidden inside a colorful graffiti cave. Welcome to the Hummingbird Hiking Trail, Simi Valley, California. There is limited parking on the side of the road. Please make sure to obey the no parking signs and make sure you only park where it is allowed. The official trailhead is at 2980 Corner Drive, Simi Valley, California. This graffitied cave and its swing and hammock is a popular spot because of the incredible views, so you may want to plan your trip for the early mornings when there are fewer people. The trail is a bit confusing in the beginning. You will want to go across the open dirt field to the other side. During springtime, you will also get to enjoy the wildflowers along the route. It is so beautiful. If you are just going to see the cave with the hammock, not the entire loop, then take the left turn here. As soon as I took the left turn, the trail seemed to immediately turn into a climb. It is quite steep. This hiking trail allows hikers the opportunity to get up-close looks at some great geology while enjoying wide-ranging views of the Simi Valley area. This part of the trail is beautiful, especially when you look back behind you. The view of Simi Valley and the surrounding areas are breathtaking. Don't climb the rock as I did. From the base of this rock, take a left turn to go to the cave with a swing. The hike getting to this secret cave and its hammock is not easy, as it is a 4-mile long loop trail that much of the time has you hiking steep inclines that require a rope. The climbs are steep, so if you do choose to make this hike yourself, you got to be really careful on your way there and make sure you bring the right materials. To get to the hammock in the cave, you got to follow the signs leading to it or risk getting lost. Hidden in a cave in the hills of Rocky Peak is a hammock inside of a graffitied cave, and it's nothing short of absolutely breathtaking. The cave is also covered in netting, and there is a little hammock hanging from the stone. The inside of the cave itself is almost as enchanting as the views. This is one colorful cave. The views of the valley from the cave are mesmerizing, making the hike totally worth the effort. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you all in my next video.